Sometimes there are events you've been preparing for your entire life. Moments when you are brimming with energy, ready to give your all to achieve your goals. My name is Alexei, and today is one of those moments, because today is my anniversary shoot for DGU. Hey Valera, where are you guys? We were supposed to shoot today.
Hey Alexei, we've already filmed everything.
What do you mean it's done?
The digital avatar, we used it. The digest is out now, you can check it.
What do you mean released? Hello everyone, this is the digital avatar of Alexei Panatov, and welcome to the anniversary digest of DGU. Today I'll share the company news. We'll be talking about the RWA projects which have generated $10 billion. And guess what? He can only record videos in one language.
So, are you saying we don't need to pay you a salary anymore? And we can just arrange an annual subscription?
Many people imagine that the future could be like this. Artificial intelligence and other modern technologies will make us irrelevant. The unnecessary at work, for our friends, and even for our loved ones. And that could indeed happen. But we see a different future.
Hi, how are you? You look great.
Hey, thanks. I'm doing well. How was your day?
Everything's good. I made $2,000 for you, and the amount keeps growing. My stock forecast turned out to be accurate. I've booked your favorite restaurant for 8 p.m. tonight. Sent Nastya an invitation along with a bouquet of flowers. Her reaction shows she's really happy. We need to leave in 20 minutes. You'll make it on time. The taxi will be waiting at the entrance. A few of your friends had birthdays this week. I congratulated them, so don't worry. I know you tend to forget about it. Work-wise, everything is sorted. You're free until Monday. Also a reminder, your vacation starts in 2 weeks. I've booked a hotel for you and Nastya by the seaside. Enjoy your time off.
Great, thanks. And can you tell me what year it is?
December 5th, 2030.
All right. See you soon then.